What's up, you beautiful rocket fans? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And today I'm doing another nature video for you guys. And I'm back at the same location that I went last time, so I couldn't get enough of it. Basically, here it is. It's a little... But nonetheless, I think this is, you know, a good way to end the day. So this is a little look. If you guys couldn't see the last time, it's a little better. Oh, a little grill pit right here. That's pretty sweet. And we have some grills here. Believe it or not, guys, story. I actually used to come to this park when I was a little kid. We used to come swimming here with my grandparents, and there's a lot of memories here. And right over there, there's a trail that leads right into the woods. I've been in there quite a few times. Well, as you can see, well, squirrels have been here for a while. Look at that, guys. Green moss, and it's just, it's crazy. So we're just chillaxing, getting some fresh air. I figured I'd do something, try to do something different for you guys. And what? Oh, my cousin just pointed something out to me. There's actually a sign right over there. I actually gotta go over to it really quick, and I'll give you a little history of the park. If you guys don't know what this is, it's actually Hell Park. It's been here forever. So we're gonna go over there, and we're gonna, so you guys get show you guys what it looks like. Across the street over there, don't get hit. Here we go, almost there. So here's a little history of the park. It's a birthplace of Howe inventors: Alice Howe Jr., William Howe, Tyler Howe. House created 15 back of this marker. Where's front door stone? So I hope you guys get all that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool history. I was gonna safely cross back over. And back to where I was. So that's a little history for you guys. Hold on, got a car coming. So, like I said, there's a trail right over there, and it leads all the way over to there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. Isn't that beautiful? It kind of looks like it's a, you know, country style version of it. But here is the bottom half of the waterfall. Here it is, guys. So you guys clicked the like button, so I figured I'd do another one. It's like yeah, as you can see, it's kind of blocked up a little bit. Yeah, but there's more to this park, but oh, jeez, yeah, I almost fell. It's just an awesome way to end the day. Look at this. Doesn't get any better than that, but the mosquitoes are wicked. Because it is a woodsy area. As you see, what I was trying to show you last time was that this bench is no more. So basically, that's pretty much gone. Ooh, look at the lily pads. God, bugs are crazy out here. But here is a wonderful view of that. And I'm gonna walk over here. There's actually two trails. One is over there, and one's over here. So, oh, jeez, oh, I think I just broke it. There's actually a trail that leads. There's actually a dam over there, a little farther up. And yeah, guys, take this in. I mean, God definitely created a beautiful earth, and you just gotta enjoy the simple things in life, guys. You know, life's too short, especially, you know. Here's the beach. Some more grills over here. I had to step on my pine cone, my bad. More, I think these are like barbecue pits or fire pits, or oh, that one just mauled over. Yeah, but you know, this is really I do really let this place go over the years. Because when I came here, everything looked new. So I'm going to go to the spot and I'm going to show you where that dam is. Here it is, right up. Oh, God. Horseflies. Gotta watch out for ticks too, because this is awful. So right over here is where that dam is. There's actually a trail somewhere that leads to that. Oh, hear that, guys? Bullfrog. It's a big boy too. Yeah, you gotta really be careful because there's a lot of ticks around here, so gotta definitely be careful of that. But over there's the dam. One more time, one more view. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there you go. It's right over there. Oh, there's a trail. The trail that goes to that goes to over there. And birds are chirping, the sun is shining. It's an end to another perfect day. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Spend time with your families, your friends, and your relatives. Or if you're just chilling at home, that's awesome too. Look at it's nice and peaceful out here. It's nice and quiet. You're away from civilization. It's just a wonderful place. Believe it or not, Henry Howe and Tyler Howe were the inventors of the sewing machine and something else. I don't know if you guys read that. There's a lot of famous inventors that lived here in Spencer, believe it or not. Back in the late 1800s. So, there's a lot of history in my town. It was founded in 1753. That's when it was established. And believe it or not, Spencer in Massachusetts actually fought in the Civil War too. So I'm going to end this vlog before I lose you guys. Just trying to get to But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of this, leave in the comment section below, and I'll do more of these. Love you guys to death. Remember, you guys are unique, you're beautiful, you're awesome, and don't let anybody tell you different. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay happy, guys.